Hey guys, Shivani this side. In this particular video, I will guide you how Bizgurukul works, what are the courses Bizgurukul provide you, and what are the benefit of enrolling into the courses, and how you can make revenue from these courses apart from affiliate marketing and by doing freelancing also, right? So I will give you brief instructions what are the courses in this Bizgurukul platform, right? So over here, these are the 5 courses. Number 1, marketing mastery. Second is branding mastery. Third is traffic mastery. Fourth is influence mastery, and fifth one is finance mastery, right? So I will give you the brief what are the content in every particular course, right? So I will give you the brief instructions about the marketing mastery. So this is the digital marketing one. Over here you get these all the trainings and all the particular content over here, so you can check that you can make revenue by implementing all this training in this particular course. So these are the digital marketing content, right? And the next one is the branding mastery. Over here you will get all this stuff like advanced personality development, video superstar, Facebook mastermind, Instagram mastermind, English speaking course, affiliate marketing, and millionaire success blueprint, right? You will get all this content in this particular course, and plus add on you get the digital marketing course free if you go with the branding mastery one. The next one is the traffic mastery, and these are the content what you get in this particular course. And plus point is that if you go with the traffic mastery, the branding mastery and the marketing mastery will be add on with this particular traffic mastery, and the commission will be high. Then this is the influence mastery. Over here you get all this content with branding mastery and traffic mastery and the marketing mastery. You will get all that content with this influence mastery if you enroll with this particular course, right? So if you implement all these trainings, all these courses, then this will be benefit. You can make revenue apart from affiliate marketing. People get confused that Bizgurukul is all about the courses and XYZ. No, it's all about the learning which you get over here, right? So you can implement in the different field like copywriting. So you can make project for that, and you can make revenue for that also, right? So this is not all about the courses, this is about the learning you get over Bizgurukul, and you can implement and you can get the revenue from freelancing also. And if you refer these courses, you will get the revenue out of it. So this is the win-win situation for all of you. So enroll fast and make your passive income right now.